Hello travelers, so today I have a couple of new bags here from Bagsmart. Now these ones are interesting, especially to me and maybe to you as well, because these are from a new lightweight collection called the Faro collection lightweight backpack. So now this one here is the 0.4, as you can see. This one's actually only 425 grams. I'll put the pounds translation on the screen, but that is extremely lightweight for a backpack like this. And also this is a 20-liter backpack, so being that light for a 20-liter backpack makes it for me a contender possibly for, you know, a really nice all-round bag for traveling, and is actually probably one of the lightest 20-liter backpacks that I have reviewed on this channel, which it's really exciting for me. Now this one here is the Pharaoh 26. As you can imagine, it is a 26-liter backpack with a 15-inch laptop compartment on the back. It is 0.8 kilograms or 800 grams. I'll put the pounds again on the screen, but that is also a really nice lightweight backpack for that size. I'm also interested to try this one out, especially given that it has the built-in backpack compartment. So what I'm going to do is I'm basically just going to do kind of a quick walkthrough or hands-on with both of these bags, probably starting with the larger of the two. So if we take a look around this bag, this is in the black version. It kind of reminds me of those bags you get from Decathlon. So it has this stretchy area here, which you can put a jacket or something like that in. If you look at here, it actually has a little button to use the mesh area here, where you could also put other items, temporary items or clothes, like a jacket or a shirt or your gloves or something you might just need throughout the day, maybe a map or something as well. And if the sides, on the sides you can see it has these adjustable straps, so if you want to cinch it tighter down. On the front here it looks like there is also a zipper, so if we unbuckle these, we can have a look here. So inside this main compartment, it's actually quite a lot of organization. So I'm actually looking at this for the first time with all of you, so bear with me. So this is a zippered mesh compartment on the front there, and so that goes all the way down to the bottom, which is nice. You do get two long pockets here, stash pockets, and then a large zippered area which goes down to about here. So a lot of great organization there. I could see that being useful for passports and so on. Of course, for the water bottle lovers, there is two mesh side bottle pockets for those who like to store their water in there. You do also get these zippers here into the first compartment. So let's have a look in here. This is, I guess, the main compartment. That does look very nice and spacious inside. There is no extra additional pockets, which I love because I don't think when you're traveling you really need anything other than your own organization. But I know some people do like to organize in their own way, but that's the main compartment. Let's take a look inside the laptop one. So this laptop one only opens that much, which could be a little limiting, but let's have a look inside here. So that is also a reasonably basic laptop sleeve, but really nice that they did include that. So let's have a look around the bag here. It looks like this one you do get this sort of phone pocket as well, and that is a single sleeve, and I'll just see if that fits my iPhone 17. So it perfectly fits that. Probably not a whole lot bigger than that, but that is nice to have. Okay, so these straps do feel on the thin side, I have to admit, but I'll have to test it out a bit later and see what a fully packed pack out feels like. The back is also nice and soft, although on the thinner side, but again, not a problem for me really. And it doesn't look like there's any additional pockets hidden anywhere, so that does appear to be it for the Pharaoh 26. But overall really nice. I do like all those pockets and organization that you get. So let's take a quick look over here at this one, which is probably my favorite. And also, if you see on the screen here, I've popped up the color options. So this one does also come in a really nice white color. I chose this black one just because I thought, you know, black is a fairly nice, simple color. It's hard to go wrong with. But I do like these highlights here. So it has this little pop of color at the top and these little bits of color at the bottom, which kind of reminds me of those Alpa bags that you see with the different mixed colors. But let's have a look here. This is made from a really very soft material. It almost feels like some of those packable day packs on the front here, which I don't mind. I quite like that. It does also have the mesh pockets on the sides for water bottles, which is great. You do get a cinch pocket on the front here. I'm not sure why you would want to cinch the front down, but you do have that option. Get some nice carabiner clips on the sides here, and a very small stash pocket here which goes down to about there. Would be great for sunglasses or your phone or other small items. Now inside this pocket it does appear to just be a stash pocket. There's no additional pockets inside that. The grab handle, I have to say, is actually pretty comfortable. It does seem to have a bit of padding inside of it, so that's actually, I would say, to me, almost more comfortable than these kind of thin straps, because they can cut into your hand if your bag is quite heavy. This feels like it might not do that, and it's probably a better way to go because it not only looks nice, but it is also comfortable. So let's have a look around the sides here to see if there's any hidden pockets. Doesn't seem to be any other hidden pockets. Now, if we take a look at the comparison between the back of the two bags, I actually like this one more because it has this channel for sweat to go through and also a carry or grab handle here, which this one doesn't have. I think they should share the same design, but I actually really like this design. Now, that does appear to have a slightly firm kind of a back plate in it, which is for rigidity and to keep the shape of the bag, but I did read that that is removable. So let's take a look inside the main compartment here. I should also mention there is cinch cords on either side. So this does look like it opens all the way at the front, which is excellent. Let me turn that open. So inside, I'm actually surprised you get a reasonable amount of organization. So the front there is nothing. It does look like it expands a fair bit. As I said, this is a 20-litre backpack. So it does look like it expands reasonably large, and because it is soft, that means you can really fit a lot into it, which is something I really like. So inside you get 1 and 2 mesh pockets, and then a sort of main document, or you could use this as a laptop pocket really as well. So up here you can see there is that frame sheet, and it's a kind of a soft foam material. That is also removable, so if you wanted to make it more like a packable bag or have even less weight on the bag, you could remove that, but I think it's kind of nice. But overall, that is the Faro 0.4. Actually, I really kind of like this one, and I'm excited to test them out, especially on some trips if they do arise. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to click the links in the description to check out these items, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.